the day 3
in Goa, and we are very excited. Today's
Yeah, I'm
day.
excited, like above everything, we are excited today.
So today we're gonna try the scuba diving for the first time.
Yes.
We have taken the tour, a complete tour, that is the Grand Island Tour package. Right from pickup, drop, safari, dolphin sighting is purely on luck and water activities. Let's see how it goes.
No, it's going to be amazing.
So watch the video till the end.
The details for the Grand Island trip will be down in the description.
So we are going on the ferry boat.
Safety mode on. Oh, Royal. Aguada, we've been there. Guys, I just spotted a dolphin and let's see if we can capture it for you. That is finger. Abhi, look at that guy's finger, he's pointing out. Kantu. Yavan, cocky nahi.
That mask, your nose will be covered, your nose will be blocked. The only way to breathe is from mouth, right? So therefore, here you are going to use this piece of equipment underwater to breathe. This is known as regulator, or you can call it demand valve. Alright, so why demand valve? Because it won't give you automatically air. You have to demand, you have to inhale, otherwise it won't give you air. Right? So due to obvious reasons, we can't talk, right? Because you're breathing from mouth. So therefore, we have some hand signals to communicate. Right? So this is my first question as well as my answer. Are you okay? If you're okay underwater, you have to reply me back, I am okay. Now, if you have any problem, show me I'm not okay. This means you're going to come up. This means you're going to go down.
So Myron and Ronan are going for swimming.
Yeah, that is white one.
There's a myth that peeing on a jellyfish sting can make it feel better, but it's not true.
Myron, go down.
Go down, I'm not going down. Honestly, everyone are laughing at you.
Go catch his hand. Give Myron, help him. Leave. His back. Sit down, sit down.
A few moments later.
So finally, Ronan decides to leave the boat.
Now we're moving to another boat for scuba diving. So our numbers 70, 71, 72, 73. Currently it's 66.
71.
So Myron, how was your experience first time?
Enjoyed it. It was my first time experience. I went right till the bottom, see the coral and the fishes. Loved it.
Hi Vinay!
Give me a good tour. Yeah.
Woo!
Guys, this is Coco Beach. We are done with the scuba diving and we also had our lunch at this beach. Now we heading for water sports, so we are on our way to Calangute beach. Here's Carmen, Ronan and Royal.
Kids nowadays.
Heading towards Calangute for the last thing of today, water activities. We'll be doing parasailing, banana ride, jet ski and many more.
So we are going to do some activities now and we are very excited. Banana ride, parasailing.
We will be doing it soon.
Myron's like, we will be doing it soon, absolutely. So the first thing what we are going to do is parasailing and a boat ride. This is a boat ride?
Yeah.
Boat ride. So Ronan, Myron, we all are excited. So we are done with parasailing and the speedboat ride. So now we are going on jet ski, banana ride and bumper ride.
Bloopers. So yeah guys, that's it from our vlog. We enjoyed. I hope you all enjoyed watching it too. And yes, I would like to remind you all, if you all are watching the videos and haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do it. Thanks.